or aspirator? A puppy love? A love that starts with physical attraction. It starts with admiration that slowly falls love. Each of us has different perceptions of what true love is. We believe on different ideas based on how we feel and how we live. I remember when I was a young girl. During my elementary days, I've got a lot of suitors around. I asked them, why do you love me? And they answered that I am pretty, intelligent, talented, and a nice girl. So during that time, I thought that these characteristics are my asset to have the love that I want. Many guys admired me, especially because I have many activities in our school. A leader of majorette, a badminton player, a choir member, and a campus journalist. In our class, as far as I remember, there is about 10 men right towards me, and a half of them became my common understand that I thought it was already love, so I took them as my boyfriend. Until first year in high school, that is my perception of what true love is. Then, the worst part of my life is during my second year in high school. I learned to be a timer, not just a two-timer, but having 5 boyfriends at the same time. Because that time, I believed that love is because of physical appearance. And that time, I was just like playing love, a playgirl. Until one man tried to hurt me and hit my classmate. He's my classmate when we're in third year high school. He's a Christian, and he's always inviting me to go in their church while he's hurting me. In my life, I think that sport is my turning point. Not because I met him, but because I knew God's differ, and I learned new good things. And because of that, I learned to be a true lover to only one, and not a player of love to many. But after 1 month and 12 days, we broke up because he doesn't really love me. And he loves somebody else. I discovered that he just tries to have a relationship with me just for experience. But the faith in me stays with me forever. And I do believe that there is someone set for me by our Creator. Until one time, my best friend confessed to me that since we're in elementary, he has a misleading feeling for me. Actually, ever since, I really like this guy, but I thought he doesn't like me. So I kept this feeling with all by myself. He's a co-regular in drum and lyre, and he's a drummer. For now, we're about 3 years in a relationship. We face a lot of troubles and struggles in life, and every time, I always pray to God to guide us and to give me the spirit to help me in deciding to face any trouble. My point is, a true love is a love with God, a love which having God as the center, a love that can sacrifice and can hurt everything, and a love not because of physical appearance, but because of what's inside. A true love story behind my teenage life. Okay.